welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 23. This is going to be a super eventful Christmassy all the things vlog. Doing some baking, going on one last Christmas outing, all the fun stuff. We are starting this one out with our hot chocolate advent calendar. The flavor was cinnamon, which I thought was going to be pretty interesting. We are trying all of these, so we tried it, and I'll be honest, it actually was pretty decent. It wasn't overly cinnamony, but there was some cinnamon vibe to it, a little bit of cinnamon flavor, so I was happy with it overall. It was pretty good. So the next thing I'm going to show you is some holiday baking that we did for all of our Christmas festivities. I'm going to be real, no one in my family, we're not huge baking kind of people, but there are some tried and true, easy, simple Christmas things that we have to have that we've been making for years, and they're just so good. And so yeah, that is what we are doing. So the first thing is actually microwave peanut butter fudge. Guys, this is so incredibly easy. You just take a jar of peanut butter and a jar of frosting. You're gonna microwave each of them for a minute, and then you're gonna combine them together. You're gonna put it in a baking pan. You're gonna put that in the fridge, let it harden, and that is it. And seriously, guys, this comes out just as good as any hard peanut butter fudge you've ever seen before. This is so good, and it's so easy.
Won't you coming out of the snow and cold? We've got it nice and warm. In here you'll find both young and old, seeking shelter from the storm. It's the spirit of the season to open up the door. It's the spirit of the season to give them love some.
Next up is a super basic, easy one, but it's so good, and that is Rolo M&M pretzels. Guys, this is so good, and Aldi actually had these pretzel rings this year, which made it even easier. So literally all you need for this are pretzels, Rolos, and M&Ms. You're gonna get your pretzel, you're gonna put your Rolo down in it. You're gonna put them in the oven for about 4 to 5 minutes on 250, just to get that Rolo a little softer. Press an M&M down in it, and that's it. And they're so good. Everybody loves them.
It's the spirit of the season to lend a helping hand. It's the spirit of Christmas season. Let's spread it across the land. Hang a winter coat on the antlers there. Come sit down by the herd. Let go of your worries, stripes and cares. Give the here and now all that's worth. It's the spirit of the season to open up your heart. It's the spirit of the season to heal what's torn apart. It's the spirit of the season to lend a helping hand. It's the spirit of Christmas season. Let's spread it.
So another crazy easy recipe here on these Ritz Mints. So these are just like the Girl Scout Cookie Thin Mints. I'm serious. They taste just like them. It's amazing. So for this, you need Andes Mints and you need some Ritz crackers. So basically, you're going to melt the Andes chocolate. You're going to put it in the microwave on 20-second intervals. Stir it until it is fully melted. Then you're literally just going to take a Ritz cracker. You're going to throw it around in the melted chocolate and put them in the fridge to cool. And literally, it's that easy. And they're so good.
Across the land. Oh, let's spread it across the land. It's the spirit of the season to open up your heart.
Guys, what even is Christmas without sugar cookies? You gotta just have your basic sugar cookies here. So we made some of these. We got the Betty Crocker mix. I got it for crazy cheap at Kroger. And so that is what we did, and it was really good. So we made some basic sugar cookies.
Across the land, yeah. Oh, let's spread across the land. Whoa, let's spread it across the land.
Last but certainly not least, we made potato candy, and you gotta have potato candy. Like, you gotta have that. That is a Christmas must-have. A lot of you guys have not even heard of this. So basically what it is, it's called potato candy because you use mashed potatoes in it. So you need 1/3 cup of mashed potatoes, 2 tablespoons of butter, a whole bunch of powdered sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and you need peanut butter to spread. So basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna put your mashed potatoes in butter, and you're gonna start with a cup of powdered sugar and mix that together. Basically, you're gonna keep adding a cup of powdered sugar until you end up getting a dough that can be rolled out, essentially. So you gotta do that. We ended up doing, I believe, 5 cups of powdered sugar. You let the dough chill. If it's like a slightly sticky dough, perfect, let it chill for 2 hours, roll it out, put peanut butter, and it's so good.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean, yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. And family, making angels in the sand, you ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this.
Also in this vlog, I'm going to be showing you guys one last little Christmas outing we went on. My dad wanted to go to Roscoe Village, which is in Coshocton, Ohio. It's like an old-timey village. They end up decorating it up for Christmas. It's fun to just walk around. They also have this really good restaurant there called The Warehouse. Oh my goodness, they have the best grilled chicken sandwich you will ever have. It is so good. So I went there for dinner. We walked around Roscoe Village, and we went to look at the courthouse in Coshocton. So go ahead and enjoy. It was an awesome, awesome time. Great decorations, great lights, and great...
Oh, oh, oh. Da, 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 oh, oh, oh. Da, 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 oh, oh, oh. Da, 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 da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year just gonna be you and me. Hanging by the fire, chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Snowflakes as they're falling down and follow rules.